When serging around a curve, there's a couple things you have to think about. Number one, as you put your fabric up front, in front of the foot, your knife is cutting about 1 inch in front of where the needles are stitching. So as you stitch, if you curve it too quickly out the back side, then your needles and the overlock stitch are going to start to look like they hang off the edge. So I wouldn't try to do too tight of a curve. A gentle curve would be more suitable for this. But we also think about, once we have a curve we're going around, now we're talking about the bias of the fabric. So on some fabrics, as I'm serging around a curve, I might engage the differential feed, turning it to a slightly higher number. So instead of 1, turning it up to 1.5 will get you around the curve, making it so it doesn't turn out really wavy as we go. So if you can, use both eyes plus your third eye to get you eyeing the front, eyeing the back, making sure as you stitch it that too much is not coming away from the needles as it goes. Also, you notice that I actually cut the curve first. So even though this was a corner originally, instead of just drawing a line and then using the knife to cut, that's a little harder than if you actually have a curve you're following and working here. So if I needed to, I would have engaged my differential feed as I started into the curved area. This fabric isn't too wavy, or it's a little stiffer, but on a really lighter weight fabric, I could go ahead and increase the differential feed as I'm in the middle of that bias edge, and then as I get closer to more the straight of grain, bringing the differential feed back to 1 as I exit out of the curve. Might take a little practice, see where it guides, and try it before you do it on your actual project.